We should condemn violence, and we should be heartbroken at the prospect of war. War is something that not many of us as Americans have experienced nor can conceptualize. But if your very strong statements against all forms of violence in the wake of Hamas's attack on Israel were absent during the years and years of tenfold bombings, brutality, rape, and murder of Palestinians at the hands of Israel, then you are not against all forms of violence. If you're speaking out now because what is happening in Israel is unimaginable and unjustifiable, but Israel, one of the most powerful countries in the world, slaughtering hundreds of peaceful Palestinian protesters and thousands of Palestinian children, a country without a military and an open-air prison they can't escape, didn't garner such a statement. If you understand and have sympathy for what has happened to Palestinians, but are only condemning violence now that both sides of the conflict are suffering, if you didn't bother to learn enough about the conflict to make a statement until Western people you could identify with were in danger, then it is critical to understand that your anti-violence isn't based in morals or ethics. It is based on the internal bias of who you have deemed deserving of safety, sympathy, and advocacy. From the bottom of my heart, this video is not meant to scold anyone, especially anyone with loved ones in danger or involved in the conflict. But it's important to understand that that bias that exists in all countries, all cultures, in media and in foreign policy is at the root of how these violent situations occur.